sorry guys, we are in the car, right? Sorry. Yeah, we're in the car. I'm still driving, man. And with my favorite juice, creme scrape, like that. Phew, that was my favorite juice. Can't take longer anymore with my lollipop here. If I was melting, I'm gonna. What is this going on? My mom just got hit by a tornado. Poor guy. Let me give you a hairstyle. But I look like a gangster, but I'm still as my mom. How am I gonna do? Oh, we got a road. The tornado is gonna hit our cow. Guys, I think the tornado was in my bag. The tornado is gonna. Oh no, it's trying to kill us. Hold on, guys. Here they will be on it. Stop! Oh, how is the tornado? Oh, and take this. Oh, there's a lava. This is not. Oh, this is so no. Oh, you shall go down to your war. Never stop. I need to farm myself. Far on the car. You're still far. Yes, I need to kill the tornado. Tornado? What? You cannot kill the tornado. Tornado is made of hair. So I own it. Who put me a sun in my head? I then try to kill us. Why? I look like this forever. Oh no. That's why we got an idea for problems. Okay, who's the cream? Oh no, maybe I got it. Oh, something.